Hello all my siren beauties and welcome to the video. We are going to get right into it. We're starting off with this brown. This is your friendly reminder to like, subscribe, and press that notification bell, as well as my social medias, the TikTok and the Instagram. So we just got all that boring stuff out the way. So as you saw, we are doing 2 coats of this brown, and this is for our new series that I'm doing, one of 2, where I'm going to do desserts. And this one is Neapolitan ice cream, which is your chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla. So we did chocolate. This is strawberry, and this is from a set. Follow my TikTok. I actually did the swatch of the whole Beatles set. I'll leave it in the description box below. But we're going to do 2 coats of that. This is using affordable stuff, honestly. And then we're going to use this off-white from Memda. That's how I'm pronouncing it. And we're going to do one like that. All of these get 2 coats and cure for 60 seconds in between each coat. I'm just laying down the bases. And last but not least, 2 nails get a combination of this creamy nude with a top coat of this nude right here. So we put 2 layers of this creamy pinkish nude down, and then I put 1 coat of the nude jelly. I'm gonna do a video soon of like my favorite Amazon products. I gotta film that this weekend because I have found a couple of good things in there, so stay tuned for that. So once everything has been layered, you're gonna wipe off the inhibition layer and then buff it like I am here. This helps with the chrome, and so that the chrome only sticks to your design. So just buff it all up, wipe it with alcohol so that you get all the dust particles off, and then it's gonna dry out. So I'm taking a long liner brush, and I did this a while ago, so I used a black liner gel, kind of like those no wipe ones that you would use for line work and nail art to do this base. You really don't have to, and I'm just making some type of abstract shape. It's kind of like if you've seen those abstract nails and if you took parts of it and blew them up. That's what I did here because I'm trying to get better with nail art. Again, I filmed this a long time ago. And then you just fill that all in, and that cures for 60 seconds. And then this is me putting on the chrome on top of it. We're using pink chrome on the brown. So that's how that looks. Then we're going on to white, and then again, same thing. We're just coming up with some weird abstract design, trying to do a flow. I'm trying to get more into nail art and not just do anything but crystals and stamping. So trying out these new trendy designs that's happening. Excuse me, I don't know why I paused there. I lost my thought for a minute. I was watching myself. So this was just me sketching out this design. Honestly, that's the best way to do it. It's just kind of lightly sketch. You can always go back over it and perfect things. And then that's how that one looks. And I used a bronze because I don't have a brown chrome. And so I think the closest thing to a brown chrome would be bronze. Even though it looks kind of goldish here. But it's bronze. It's more of a bronze. Whip that away. That's how you look. And last but not least, we are doing strawberry. And they got a silver chrome to represent vanilla because I wanted the vanilla to show. So the only color I could think of was silver. So that's how they look so far. Using old eyeshadow palettes, we're going to start a 2-layer aura. So I'm using a sparkle color, and this is on the inhibition layer of that nail. Then off camera, I put on a matte top coat, and then we're going to go in with 2 of those colors, and then we're going to put that on top. That's how I found my eyeshadows that I'm using to work for nail art for the pigments and the aura effects without airbrushing. If it's a matte, you put a matte top coat on. If it's sparkly, just use the inhibition layer. This one, it has a little bit of shimmer, so it stuck a little bit. And now we're just going to put a ring around this. So you're just going to outline it and then color that in with the pink. And here's me coloring it in. And this is a Beetles nail polish, so it is 2 layers. And we cure it for 60 seconds each. Last nail, we're doing another aura, so we're going to take Tickled. And I thought I was going to use the other shimmer, but again, we're going to use the inhibition layer and stipple that on. Put a matte top coat on afterwards and stipple on the matte eyeshadow. This one was very pigmented, so it actually spread out a lot better, and I'm just using some old eyeshadow brushes. And then sometimes to get that extra shimmer, because it's a different formula, you can just put it right on top a little bit and it sticks a little bit. And once again, we are outlining in the brown this time. So brown aura got pink, pink aura gets brown, and we're going to fill that in once again. And here is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video and this new series. Let me know what other desserts I should add to the list. And until next time, peace.